Hello, I'm Dr. Joel David, founder of D5 Teeth. It's important to understand the definition, what is permanent teeth? A permanent restoration, according to the American Dental Association, is the final restoration when you're all done. Perfect analogy if you break a tooth and maybe you ever needed a crown or a cap. You get a crown preparation, you leave the dental office with a temporary plastic crown that doesn't come out because it's cemented with a temporary cement. But about 2 weeks later, you get your real permanent restoration when you get your ceramic crown. It's the same thing in full arch. What you want to do when you're doing your research is there's some centers that are basically misnaming what a permanent restoration is. You'll see some centers advertising permanent teeth in one day, everything done in one day, if you're looking for a place where you can get new teeth in one day. But what does that really mean? What it really means at thousands of centers is on that day of surgery, what you're really getting is just a plastic temporary denture with temporary parts that screws in on the day of surgery, and then months later, sometimes with about 10 more visits, you finally get your what's really called permanent teeth. What the centers are misnaming is they're saying because the temporary denture with the temporary parts doesn't fall out like a denture, it's permanent. But that, as you can see from the American Dental Association, is not the definition of permanent teeth. A lot of these sites, you'll be hard-pressed to tell that you have to come back later to get real permanent teeth. So again, buyer be aware. When you're doing your research, and we really recommend you do your research, if you see places claiming you're getting permanent teeth in one day, you need to call them up and say, am I really getting my final definitive restoration? And when you find out you're not, how long is it really going to take me to get my final definitive permanent restoration? At D5 for Many, you will get your final set of permanent teeth in just 3 visits in 7 days. Call us for a free consultation.